Schnitzels are on their own delicious and incredible versatile. But schnitzel sauces are the ultimate way to upgrade your favorite schnitzel meal. I've gathered a collection of the most mouth-watering schnitzel sauces for you to try. Plus, I've even included 3 little bonus tips for those busy days when you need a tasty schnitzel topping in a pinch. Rahm sauce is a delicious, creamy, dreamy sauce that is the perfect partner for schnitzel, mashed potatoes or meatballs, and it's super easy to make at home. No need to fuss with gravy bases or complicated ingredients lists. This sauce comes together quickly with just a few simple ingredients. If you want to add some serious flavor to your next schnitzel, you should give the famous Jagerschnitzel Sauce a try. This dark, rich mushroom sauce is simple to make at home with just a few flavorful ingredients like mushrooms, onions and beef broth. Whether you're serving it over a plate of sizzling schnitzel, spooning it over a steaming bowl of spätzle, or smothering it over a juicy steak, the sauce is guaranteed to take your meal to the next level. Simply lecker! The creamy version of the famous Hunter sauce is also to die for. Seriously, it's an absolute must-have when you want to serve a schnitzel with the delicious Bavarian bread dumplings. The flavors are just out of this world. The rich and savory mushrooms combined with the creamy sauce are a match made in heaven. One of my favorite schnitzel sauces is the zesty bell pepper sauce called Zigeuner Sauce, or nowadays more politically correct called paprika sauce. Not only it is delicious with schnitzel, but it's also amazing when paired with grilled meats and seafood. It's the perfect condiment to liven up any barbecue. This homemade mustard sauce makes every dish a true culinary highlight. It's creamy, flavorful, and super easy to make. The quick roux, infused with cream and seasoned with mustard and a few other spices, comes together in a snap, making this the perfect choice for busy weeknight dinners. Sometimes the simplest sauces are the best, and that's definitely the case with this classic brown gravy, or braune Soße as it's called in Germany. It's rich, flavorful and super versatile. It goes perfectly with traditional side dishes like spätzle and dumplings, and it's the perfect complement to a plate of delicious schnitzels. I know, you waited for it! A schnitzel sauce with beer can't be missing from this list. Making a beer sauce is easy. Instead of using water or broth to make your own brown gravy, it adds an incredible depth of flavor that will make your schnitzel and any other dish you use it on truly unforgettable. The bold, zesty flavor of this German horseradish sauce is just perfect for adding some excitement to your schnitzel, and it's amazing with other meats, fish and seafood too. If you're a fan of traditional European cuisine, you'll definitely want to try Grüne Soße. This aromatic herb sauce hails from Frankfurt and has been a totally beloved recipe for centuries. While the herbs used in the sauce may be difficult to get outside of Europe, there are plenty of delicious substitutions you can use to recreate this tasty sauce at home. Curry sauce is the ultimate flavor-boosting condiment for all your favorite dishes. From schnitzel and grilled meat to the famous currywurst and beyond. It's a more complex and nuanced version of ketchup that can be enjoyed both warm and cold. It's called curry ketchup when it's served cold and curry sauce when it's served warm. And the best part, it's super easy to make from scratch and can be stored in the fridge for weeks. Another of my all-time favorite schnitzel sauces is the delicious Zwiebelsauce. This German onion gravy is so flavorful and goes well with so many different dishes, not just breaded pork schnitzel, but also my popular chicken schnitzel casserole. I like to make a big batch of the sauce because it freezes so well, which makes it perfect for busy nights when I don't have a lot of time to cook. And if you are in a pinch for a schnitzel sauce, here are 3 quick and easy options that are popular in every German home and German guest house. In Germany, schnitzel is often served with a side of ketchup. And not just for the kids. Believe me or not, adults love this simple condiment too. If you like it simple and you don't have much time on hand, simply serve the schnitzel with braune Butter. The nutty flavor of the brown butter pairs beautiful with German side dishes like Spätzle or potato dumplings. Last but not least, in Germany, schnitzel is frequently served without gravy, along with French fries or potato salad. It is simply served with a slice or wedge of lemon and a dollop of lingonberry jam. But you can also use cranberry jelly instead. I hope you enjoyed my list of delectable schnitzel sauces and are ready to give them all a try. There are so many amazing schnitzel sauces to choose from. There is a sauce for every taste and occasion. Give them all a try and find your favorite. Guten Appetit!